Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Where are you born?
I was born in Ottawa. My parents are Hungarian.
Where do you work?
Well, I work at Seneca Lab School. Wonderful, but once again, your English is fantastic.
You went to the same kindergarten.
Really? You went to Tokyo Pokemon Center? That's fantastic. What's your favorite Pokemon? That's fine. There's too many? Oh, yeah, there are. There's like hundreds, right? 709 Pokemon. I didn't know that. And so, when you ride your bicycle with your helmet, do you ride the bicycle with mom and dad sometimes? Does mom, they have a bicycle too? Oh, super wonderful. And are you on a soccer team? You are? And so you play soccer in Japan? Wow, that's fantastic. Where do you play?
Sometimes goalie and sometimes front.
Oh, okay. That's really great. So we'll move back. Right, there you go. Your English is nice. So you just need time to talk, right? Yeah. And you can do a good job. Yeah.
My name is Hannah.
Tyler? Pleasure. Pleasure's nice. I like it. I like your shirt.
Thank you.
Star Wars is awesome. Do you like the new movie?
Yes.
You watched it? It was good, right?
Yeah.
They were making a new movie now. What is next? What's the next step? You tell me because you're the teacher now. Yeah.
Can I do this now? Yes,
Okay.
of course. Okay. I think you got this.
Oh, everything? You cut everything out?
Like this.
Okay, so cut this part in half?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. You tell me and I will learn. Okay, so wait, are we supposed to put two pieces on top of it?
Yeah. Yours is much better than me.
No, it's good. Yours is better than mine.
Then you have to put something inside.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Nothing in it?
You guys have to tell him how to do it.
Half of this, not all. Yeah, it's everything. No, because we have to make two of this. That's why we still have this.
Ooh, what's your first dumpling?
Now to the
Are you sure?
yes, it is hard to eat this.
Okay, so we put this into this.
No,
This into this. Okay, cool.
but
What?
you need to open here.
After, right?
No, now.
Spin it up.
Oh, I get it now.
Yeah,
So
you
you
get it
make
now?
noodles.
Yeah.